Hi, this is MD Anwar Hussain, and today I am going to present why do I want to join VTF. Before going to describe above subject matter, I want to thank you everyone who are related to the VTF for giving me such a fantastic opportunity. This is actually a scheduled task for the week 7 assigned by the Virtually Testing Foundation business advisory category. Let's move to know what is VTF actually. The full form of the VTF is Virtually Testing Foundation. It's a California US based volunteer run profit organization. It is founded by individual or corporate or government donation. The mission of VTF, the mission of Virtually Testing Foundation is to serve a cybersecurity focused community by organizing speaker events, hands-on workshops, conference, etc. The members advance their skill or learn from scratch to successfully exit the competitive, trending and evolving cybersecurity industries. Why do I want to join VTF? I understand that the Virtually Testing Foundation mission is to serve a cybersecurity focused community by organizing speaker event, hands-on workshop, conference, etc. I am passionate of contributing by capacity to ensure VTF achieve this mission and even more. I have a strong passion for continuous learning and seeking way of doing things efficiently, which I feel VTF have the necessary structure and capacity to enable me excel in the competitive, trending and evolving cybersecurity industry. Experience. I have acquired over 7 years experience in the technical field, and I feel this can enable me fit for any relevant position in VTF. My technical area of competence are system security, network security, vulnerability assessment, and web application security testing. I intend leveraging this for betterment of your organization. I'm a great team player and always ensure I play my part for the successful implementation of any end. What I hope to gain in VTF. Virtually Testing Foundation is a dynamic growing company with diverse members of various tech expertise around the world. I believe I can further my experience and learn new things with the view of getting better at my specialty. I wish to further my corporate culture and learn various ways of dealing professionally in the area of business education. Thank you for now.